Here's a little project that I've been working on. If you see my Pop 4 unboxing, this is the scan from that. It's this little trim piece that goes on the car. Originally, it's a sports push button. I'll go ahead and pull up a photo of it. So originally it looks like this. And I end up putting the TypeR button in it. It's a toggle switch. However, I don't have a TypeR, so I didn't want the R there. So I wanted to take that out. And what I originally ended up doing was taking it and just sanding it down and putting a vinyl on it. Then from there, I just painted it and then removed the vinyl. And it kind of gave this, but it wasn't really all that. The letters weren't straight and just kind of sloppy. So I wanted to fix that. I'll go back over to the scan. So I scanned this piece and then I just went ahead and designed it in CAD. So now I have a nice clean model. And then what I end up doing is printing it out in white ASA. This is it right here. And that's how it is next to the other one. It fits perfectly. All the dimensions and everything worked out fine. I didn't have any problems or have to worry about resizing or going back over anything. And then what I end up doing is taping the inside just so paint wouldn't make its way in there. This was my first test one. I actually cracked the side of it, but sprayed it black. And this is my second one. And this is how the car currently looks now. And what I end up doing is once I painted it black, I just took the laser, my fiber laser, and I lasered the words on it. The pretty cool thing is that the fiber laser is only removing the paint. It won't mark or darken the filament since it's white. If it was something like a black filament, then it would turn a lighter color, but since it's being white, it won't darken it. So I just lined it up and then just ran it with the fiber laser, and that took away the paint. And this is how it ended up coming out once everything was done. It's a lot cleaner than what I had before. As you can see the difference. Then just put everything back together. This is how it looks with the lights on. Well, that's just a little project of mine. Thank you for watching the video. I know some of you guys will appreciate it. Thank you.